Yeah, now I just installed all plugins, bulk installation. A few plugins I have not installed. Sometimes it takes time so that some plugins won't install properly. So in that case, out of 10, few 8 plugins are already installed. 2 plugins are not installed. This is it. You see, Elementor header, activate plugin. This is Elementor theme, most advanced front page plugin, the Elementor plugin, and the header footer are not installed. So in that case, you need to install them manually. That means not manually, separately. Just click that installation. Independently, you need to install it, because in the bulk installation, sometimes it takes time because it's file size and some permission settings are takes time. So in that case, you need to install separately like this. Yeah, successfully installed Elementor page. Earlier it was not installed because in earlier I installed all bulk installation. So in that case, those are not installed. If you face such issues, so please make sure that you install all plugins and then activate. Once you install all the plugins, so you see, make sure, yeah, 10 to activate, just activate all plugins. Okay, yeah, mostly all plugins are installed, but sometimes you may see such this type of issues. Okay, in this case, you need to install separately. Okay, right.